As movies are getting re-released, I decided to rewatch my favorite musical romance, Rockstar, a film about a college boy Janardhan from Delhi who dreams of becoming a rock musician. He falls in love with a beautiful and unattainable girl, Heer. His pursuit of love deviates from societal norms, leading to a profound quest for self discovery. Rockstar got me thinking about why Jordan and Heath's love is so complicated and out of their control. His journey of pursuing music also reflects the pain he's going through in love. And at the end, he's all consumed by it. Is love only true if it completely consumes you?
कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे नहीं बनना बड़ा, मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए करुणा भाई, मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए.
Love has always been a compelling theme in cinema. Its endless perspectives tell that love follows no fixed rules that can guarantee fulfillment. In the movie The Lunchbox, where an accidental delivery connects a young, neglected housewife Ela and Mr. Fernandez, a widowed aging man in Mumbai, it leads to a deep emotional bond through letter exchanges. It shows a more mature perspective of love. They seem less overwhelmed by love, and still we crave for them to meet, like we do for Jordan and Heer.
मैंने तो यहाँ तक कोशिश की कि सोचूं भी ना मैं तेरे बारे में, पर क्या हुआ? ये तू है, मेरे सामने खड़ी है. तुझे समझ नहीं आई? ये कुछ और है जो तुझे और मुझे साथ ला रहा है.
Both movies offer very contrasting perspectives of love and the choices and behaviors it inspires. In Rockstar, Jordan's love is impulsive and rebellious.
नाम क्या है उनका?
Conversely, The Lunchbox presents a more restrained and patient view of love.
Ela.
Jordan, even after knowing that pursuing Heer would shatter her married life, he cannot contain his emotion. This portrays love as an overwhelming force, a force that cannot be constrained by societal expectations or moral considerations.
I came to the restaurant while you were waiting. There you were. I wanted to come up to you and tell you all this in person, but I just watched you wait. You look beautiful.
When Mr. Fernandez realizes how Ela's life would be with him being old, he thinks of putting Ela's future above his desires. This act presents love as a selfless emotion. The stark contrast between Jordan's reckless pursuit of love and Mr. Fernandez's sacrifice raises a fundamental question: how do we truly love? Why, no matter what, Jordan couldn't bind himself to social rules, and why, for Mr. Fernandez, Ela's dreams were more important than his own fulfillment. For Jordan, when no one around him, neither family nor college friends, could offer him a sense of true self or the liberation he sought, he found the comfort and free spirit of Heer. Loving Heer allowed him to express his true self through his music. On the other hand, Mr. Fernandez, who seeks order and routine, love becomes a refuge from mundanity and loneliness. The letters and the lunchbox symbolize the understanding and hope of a companion. His refusal to meet Ela reflects his belief in importance of kindness and selflessness.
पता है, यहाँ से बहुत दूर, गलत और सही के पार एक मैदान है. मैं वहां मिलूंगा तुझे.
The way Jordan, Mr. Fernandez, or we all love actually reflects the way we have seen the world and how the world has impacted us. The love mirrors what we value the most. So, how will you choose to love? Comes from the essence of who you are.